What's up, YouTube? Thank you for tuning in again, and also I have to thank you guys for subscribing and liking the video. I'm so excited to discuss about this video today. This video, I'm going to show you guys that the Jenny is going to go into OONA fabrication, and they're going to fabricate. Oh, you can hear that. Joel and his uncle gonna be, doing their thing for my car. But yeah, so basically they're gonna do it fabricating the oil catch can. Oh shit. What's up, man? How's it going? I'm just like vlogging over here.
I gotta pull 2 more cars on that and you can pull in.
You got it. Pull in. Pause. Oh yeah, his uncle's here. Awesome. So basically the 2 main guys is here. I'm happy to see them, man. I just get so excited that we're gonna go in and they're gonna do my catch can. Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm like thinking how it's gonna look like in the engine bay, but I'm excited. I waited till, I waited, but I do understand they got their customers in front of me, and I had to understand that part. So no problem. So and today is the day. Today is the day my Jenny gonna receive a nice catch can. Oil catch can. It's about damn time. So excited. The plan is basically they have to move some cars so they could have room for me, and hopefully to give me a signal so I could go in. That's it. That's about it. Yeah, today's gonna be a oil catch can fabrication installation. Well, they gave me the signal. I don't know about you guys. I know there's other videos that shows you how to delete that annoying beeping sound. I hope the exhaust that you hear is so annoying too. Like rattling sound. It's horrible, but I know what it is, and the next video I'm gonna show you guys what it is, so you'd be like, oh, that's what it is, but anyways, one day I could have one of these garage like this. Gonna be waiting for them to be ready. Hopefully everything goes well. It's dirty. So the oil catch can will be located right there, this area. The oil catch can is going to be located there, and I need to change that oil filter. That's nasty. Joel, what's up, man?
Nice.
How's it going?
Nice, I like the stroke bar. That's new, right?
Yeah, that's new. It's dirty but new. How's it going, man?
Chilling, man. Same old.
Damn, man, it's been years, bro.
Trying to get, I know, man. Trying to get this thing up and running. There's a shop car, right-hand drive, this is turbo.
Oh, wow.
Yeah,
That
we
looks
still got a
crazy.
couple of things to do. We got to do the valve cover, all titanium. We got to burn this still.
Nice.
That's a titanium plate.
That's sick. I didn't know you could do that for the intake.
Yeah,
I want to. Nice. My baby.
This is the catch can.
We still can't find a nice little logo for you guys?
Bro,
nothing?
It's hard to get these people to freaking make us a logo, bro. Especially since like our logos, like we want it a certain way, so to try to find the guy is very hard. I know you sent me that guy one time, man. He never got back to me, so.
He's a busy guy.
Yeah, so.
Checking my hand. I need to call him. I need to be like, yo, what's up?
Nah, yeah, I understand.
You hearing me, Willie? I'm on to you. Yeah, so what's this the project, so basically?
We gotta make a bracket for this. So we gotta make a little bracket system to be mounted here, and then we gotta run two 90s over to the valve cover, and also weld 2 bungs, 2 -10 fitting bungs to the valve cover itself.
All right, cool.
So we're gonna start off by, we gotta let the car cool down a little bit.
Of course.
Take all this off, take all the coil packs out, take all the tanks out, take the valve cover off.
All right.
Weld 2 bunks to the valve cover, and then we can start doing the bracket for this. doing the lines.
I like their station. Turbo.
Yeah, this is for a customer. We gotta revalve the wastegate. So you can see here, the wastegate is super close that the turbo doesn't even go on. So it's hitting like right here.
Oh, okay, I see it.
So yeah, we gotta cut this back and angle it a different way so that it's clear.
My turbo setup is so weird. So
What size turbo on the car now?
that's a baby one. I care 5 pounds.
The one on this car, the right-hand drive, is a Precision 5838.
58.
It's a small turbo, very, very small, especially for the car. But then again, this is not a race car. It's a show car.
Mm-hmm.
That's why I'll open the door for you. This side's a little messy. We're still putting the car together. But
Right hand.
yeah, right-hand drive. So it's gonna be a show car. We're looking for 4-ish, 400-ish, 450-ish.
Right.
Horsepower, nothing crazy.
Just for sure.
Just,
You can see it, the turbo, right there.
yeah, I think it's small, man.
Very small. And I heard the Precision turbos, it's more
They're efficient.
Air efficient,
They make
right.
a lot of power. Yeah, so
it
that's
doesn't
what we-
lag.
That's why we put a small one on here, because we just wanted to spool fast, make a lot of noise,
Right.
and not make too much power.
Right.
But it looks tiny compared to the motor.
But 400 horsepower is okay.
Yeah, 400 is
Something,
more than enough for the
yeah,
street.
more than
For
enough.
this car, especially. We're driving right-hand drive, so it's a little, like, yeah. Like,
This
going
way.
First, we gotta go that way and up. It's weird.
Oh, I have a little problem, right? Underneath, since I already changed my shifter box, now I hear a rattling sound. I know it's the heat shield.
Okay.
So, and also the exhaust, I could smell the exhaust.
You smell it coming through?
And it's
so you might
leaking.
have a little
So the thing is, like, remember we talked about the V-bands?
V-band in your bike.
I'm trying to do that because that's annoying. It's really annoying.
We're gonna, once we do the vodka, we'll jack it up and check underneath.
And as you can see, look what the rats did to me.
Oh yeah, what happened to that?
The rats.
That was the rats?
The rats.
You parked this thing in the street or?
Yeah, in the street.
Bro.
There's no space in the parking lot for me no more. You should have seen that in the morning. Like, everything, all the
That happened
crumbs.
today though? Or?
It happened today.
Wow.
All right, so let's get to it. And
Get the tools. We need a 10 with a little extension. Need the pliers to take this hose off. 10, 10, 10. Mainly all 10s.
I got some Honda Bond, just in case. I like this color. I'm trying to do this color into that color. How's life?
It's hard. Not gonna lie.
It's hard, right?
Coming in the dough is crazy. I'm only 24, so it's a lot trying to, especially dealing with the business. We just moved into the shop not so long ago, so it's hard trying to keep up with everything. But all I can say is keep going. Don't let nothing stop you. And if you want something, just go work for it, and it'll happen. We came from a little garage. You seen the spot that we was at. It was a really small
Yeah, it's really
garage.
small.
We got to this shop. We share the shop, but then again, it's better than working on the floor, working on our backs. We got a lift now, so
Right.
grateful for everything. Okay, we came a long way in a short time, and I know we still got a lot more to go.
Damn, blessed, man. Blessing.
Appreciate that, man.
You just, I wish I could say the same thing because I do everything in the streets.
Yes.
So one day, I could get me one of the, like, a little shop.
Little
But
garage,
a little
just
go.
working
I'm
it
not.
out, man.
I'm not expecting big, but a small one. It's okay.
Just to
A
work
nice
your way
lift.
up, man. It's all by steps in life.
Yeah, man.
Nothing comes overnight.
Nope.
Nothing comes overnight. Everything is by working and just accomplishing everything.
Right.
We didn't think we was gonna be able to afford this shop, but
Yeah, I told you guys. You guys could do it.
Yeah.
You guys could do it. Just don't let it stop anything. Like,
the only thing that's gonna stop you from doing something is yourself.
yeah.
My uncle always told me that. And we got this. We make things like this. So
Yeah. Right. I just need your guys' brand.
the
yeah.
logo. Once we get it, we'll have you come down and we'll take it off and we'll just tack
Yeah,
on it right
man.
there.
Because they're gonna say, like, where you got this
We
from?
got it, yeah.
There's no
I know.
brand, there's no badge or anything. So basically, we just removed. Well, he removed the 10s. This is all 10s. So he's removing all this. Of course, the vacuum lines. There you go. What's up? How you been?
Been good. How you doing?
Good, good. You know.
Don't drop that bottle.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. You know.
This time don't want to come off.
Yeah, don't want to back out.
Trying to fry again.
Yep.
Yeah.
The strip.
Yeah, the whole muscle.
I got Honda Bond.
On the bond fixes everything.
Yeah. Honda Bond on the Korean car.
It's okay.
So Ben, what's your idea?
Gotta cut away the plastic. Over here, we're gonna do one of these. Dash 10. Put the nut in the back, drill a hole. And that's how we're gonna run the catch can. Valve cover is plastic, so obviously you can't weld to plastic. Aluminum and plastic. That's why we're gonna use AN fitting like this. Threads on the back. This is dash 10. I think this is 12 or 14.
Yes.
There's the threads on the back. So we'll drill the hole and then we'll tighten it up and it'll stay put.
You can bring it back so we can powder coat it. We're gonna start getting into powder coating.
What?
Yeah.
Show them the little sample we did. This is no prep. This is just stuffed it down, wiped it down, and then sprayed it just to practice.
Holy snap.
This one's beat up because we used it, but it doesn't have real deep scratches on it. That's just like all dirt. Powder coating, it's a protective film coating plastic onto the part, so it's better than paint. It doesn't really chip. Doesn't really.
It would be sick if I get like a K-swap in there.
That was crazy.
A K-swap Genesis? What the hell? K-swap the world.
K is the way. Right now I'm just trying to clean all the dirt and oil gunk off of this. So you see all of this Honda Bond?
Yeah.
Old Honda Bond, we want to scrape all that off with the blade. I'll take the blade and just scrape all that off, all that extra Honda Bond off.
I'm impressed though. It's nice.
Thanks.
Cars came a long way.
Yeah.
How long were on that car?
8 years.
Woo!
8 years and 8 years and
This is 4 years.
4.
I had that car. So I'm just starting. I'm trying to get a custom exhaust manifold. I told Joel that I had a turbo. I'll get it. I brought it back. I did my research and I'm going for the precision.
Yeah, I like precision. It's pretty good.
There's no turbo lag.
Yeah, this will go with the turbo manifold.
Top mount, turbo fitting right here.
Yep.
Yeah.
Get rid of all this going
Yeah.
on right
All
here.
that crap.
That way you see just the turbo. That would be nice.
You get crazy, just put an upright right out the hood too.
I want a daily driver, man. You could explain it.
Huh?
You could explain it.
Academy's rough. FTNY Academy is hard. A lot of people don't
They don't even make it the
Don't
first
make
day.
it.
What?
Yo.
Really?
Yo, the first day, people quit.
people quit. Yeah, they do. And then a couple of weeks after, people quit too when they get to the
They're-
smokehouse.
Ooh.
Mask appreciation. It's rough. It's not easy.
They put you in worse situations, so that way when the real thing happens, you already know what to expect. You already know how to expect the worst. What's harder, Row Fire or Fire Academy? What puts you through more work?
That's a good
I
question.
think, you know what? No one ever asked me that question, but
That's a good question.
man, being a probie at the Fire Academy, I guess that's harder because you're inexperienced. You're not as physically capable because the training is very hard. So I think, yeah, I'm gonna have to say Fire Academy. It's rough. It's hard. On the bond.
On a Korean car.
Trying to make sure it's the right size for this bolt so that way I could drill a hole. This is gonna be one of the brackets. It's gonna be an L bracket. Weld it down to the catch can like that. Mounted into this factory battery bolt hole. So I just wanted to make sure that this bolt that I have is the right size. So that way I could drill the exact hole on this bracket. That's one bracket basically. So now I just gotta weld this. Weld that around. And I'm gonna do the other bracket on this back side. Also gotta trim this up, make this more like roundish, make it look prettier.
Okay.
That looks a lot better. It's not squared off now. I want to make sure the bracket is squared away. See, my mark was a little off. So the catch can was a little tilted. So I'm gonna go squared with the bracket, that the bracket is straight and not catch can leaning a little bit.
Yeah, you're right. Bang. This is real.
The real grenade.
Don't do it.
No, there's nothing there.
It's a real grenade, but it's empty. It was emptied
empty.
out. Yeah.
Oh, that's sick. What? No way.
See the boogers?
There's a storm in here. Oh my God, you saw that dust?
Hey, what you think, guys? Comment below. What you think? So, as you can see, those fittings have to go connected to the valve cover, and those two is where the air filters is at. Now, there's some issues. I cannot just weld the fittings here because it's plastic. The plan is I have to order the Evo X valve cover, and did my research. It says they really fit directly to that motor. The problem is I have to wait now. I had to order it, and it's gonna come in 3 days. Hopefully it arrives on time, so I could be able to travel to Yonkers again and to install this valve cover. So yeah, that's the plan. Hopefully it works. If not, there's another option. The other option they gave me, they had to drill the hole and put other fittings, plastic fittings, and then from there connect it to the catch can. But I don't want to do that. I just really wanted to look better with the welding part. So I'd rather just order the Evo X valve cover and that's it. That'll be perfect. We're gonna finish this part and we're gonna go to the next video. Of course, I have to wait for that valve cover. Thank you again, Ben. I'm gonna see you soon.
Yo.